Welcome, I'm the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. So to get started, all you need to do is pull down the notification panel, go to the second page of it, and you should see battery saver right over here, and simply tap on it. That will enable the power saving mode. Now you also can hold the toggle, and this will take you to the settings of it, where number one, it gives you a little bit of information on what it does when it's enabled. So restrict the activity of system apps, freeze the apps in the background, clear cache whenever the device is locked, and turn off background services, sync, and GPS to save battery. So in a way, it just kind of kills off the batteries that are running in the background of your device. So kind of like all these ones that right here and not being used will be terminated. They're still visible, but they will need to be relaunched in a way when you go to them, so they're not being kept in the memory right now. And apart from that, all the syncing and stuff like that, it refers to your, for instance, internet connection. So if you're getting some kind of messages from, let's say, from Facebook, normally you would be getting one after another. While the power saving mode is enabled, they will be delivered in bulk once every couple of minutes, for instance. So it won't be constantly looking for updates. It will just look once every several minutes and update them all in bulk. And also you have a couple of other options right here, like turn off when charged. So when the device is above 60% battery, it will turn off the power saving mode. And you can also set a schedule, so it starts for instance at night. So when you're not using the device, you don't really need the notifications and stuff like that, and this will help the battery during the night to not be used for pointless stuff when you're not really needing it. But once everything is set, you can just kind of leave this, and like I said, the toggle is right here and you can tap on it freely whenever you want it turned on manually, and tap on it again to turn it off. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.